Environmental pollution. In this module, you will learn about the environmental pollution and its impact. Environmental pollution and the resultant degradation is a matter of serious concern facing the world today. Human beings of the 21st century have been causing or accelerating deterioration of their natural surroundings by their activities. The world we live in is undergoing erosion constantly. There is depletion and pollution of natural resources such as air, water, and soil. Ecosystems or living organisms are being disturbed and damaged by this. Pollution is the contamination of the natural environment, thereby causing instability and disorder in the ecosystem. Pollution causes serious environmental degradation and adversely affects the well-being of living organisms. Pollution can come from a variety of sources, including vehicle emissions, indiscriminate use of pesticides and insecticides in farms, and dumping of toxic waste from factories, etc. There are several types of pollution. The major ones are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. We can first look at air pollution. Air pollution occurs due to the release of chemicals and particulate matter into the atmosphere. Metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata are subject to a great deal of air pollution. Toxic smoke from chimneys of factories is a major source of atmospheric pollution. The use of fossil fuels for means of transport results in the emission of toxic gases which are hazardous to health. Delhi, with its 3 million vehicles on the road daily, is one of the most polluted cities of the world. Another rampant type of pollution is the water pollution. Discharge of the chemical and industrial waste into water bodies is a major cause of water pollution. Excessive use of pesticides and chemical manures in agricultural fields also causes water pollution. These can flow down into the water bodies during rainy season, thereby contaminating water. Oil spills in the oceans also contaminate water. It creates a thick oil slick which not only prevents water and air from passing through, but also interferes with the temperature conditions in the oceans. Oil spills greatly affects marine life, killing thousands of sea animals. Land pollution is just as common as air and water pollution. Toxic liquids and solid wastes are carelessly dumped on land. Dumping of plastics pose a particularly serious threat as they are not biodegradable and cause great damage to the environment. Another type of pollution is the noise pollution, often considered a curse of modern times. The working of machines, the blaring horn of vehicles, loud music for entertainment are serious sources of noise pollution. It can cause hearing impairment, headaches, and high blood pressure. In recent times, we find a growing awareness among countries about the hazards of pollution. Agencies like WHO and UNESCO have undertaken numerous projects for environmental awareness and conservation. The Earth Summit of 1992 adopted a global plan for creating a balance between conservation of environment and the development of industries. Thus, globalization with its numerous forms and dimensions continues to shape the world in which we live. Let's recall what we have learned. Globalization refers to a process of movement of social, economic, cultural and political ideas and activities across different parts of the world, thereby creating interdependence between these areas. Globalization involves movement of goods, ideas, money and people from one area to another. Economic globalization can only take place with the removal of tariffs, allowing free flow of goods and services between countries. Liberalization and privatization are the two foundational principles of economic globalization. The United Nations, the World Bank, and the International Monetary Fund play a crucial role in promoting globalization. Globalization also includes a transnational movement of information. Globalization also includes acceptance of national problems as world problems.